Room 2110, I knocked out.
Welcome back to another video. So first things first, let's make some breakfast. Since I started working out again, I am following a set diet. So today I'll be making 3 eggs with nuts. Nuts will be of course on the side, and I'll just pan fry the egg sunny side up, put some salt and pepper, and that's gonna be my breakfast. Simple, easy and quick to make.
I'll change, but how can I lose you now? Whoa, oh, the silence are way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away.
Britain will be your number one enemy.
Today's agenda for the World History class revision is the First World War. We are referring to a book that's called The Eastern Question, which is written by Sir John A.R. Marriott, and there are some pointers like the Near East and the Far East, which includes topics like Ottoman Empire, the Crimean War, Habsburg Empire, Scramble for Africa, Interest of the Europeans, Kaiser Wilhelm II, Rise of the Balkan nationalism, Rise of the Serb nationalism, the Balkan Wars, and in the Far East, the colonialism and imperialism along with China. To those of you who consistently watch my vlogs, you will know how much I adore and love history as a subject, as a way of life. To sum it all up, history for me is like an adventure, and it allows me to broaden my horizons and explore different cultures and ideologies. I can be sitting in my room, in my apartment, and I can be traveling the world while I study history. So that's the reason why it is such an amazing subject, and is the reason why I chose it as my option for the UPSC exam.
Please show me the way, baby, to your heart. Please show me the way, baby, to your heart. And nothing is better for me to be with you.
So as I was studying, I just looked to my right and I saw snowflakes everywhere in the house. Courtesy Simba Singh. He just took it out from his favorite teddy bear, the one that is right here. So after my class is over, it's 1:30 and it's time for lunch. Today I'm eating chicken breast with vegetables, which is usually what I eat every other day. The vegetables were already chopped and ready. The only thing I had to do was pan fry the chicken breast. So post lunchtime, I usually try not to use my brain too much for an hour or so. I sometimes end up lying down on the sofa or the bed and watching a movie. Or on days like today, I become more active and I start cleaning up my space. I organized my bookshelf as well. So here I have all the main books that I use for history, environment. This one is polity, my bullet journal, and the editorial book for Hindu. Then on the bottom is all these NCRTs. Again, some more books for topics in the syllabus. Then all these MCQ books. Here are my folders of the previous year for current affairs and subject-wise different notes. This portion is history optional. This portion is polity NCRT, economy NCRT, as well as geography here. So this is it. I'm pretty happy with my setup. These are my novels. You've seen them in previous videos. These are my medals. These are half of my medals. Most of them are at home. I asked my parents to bring some of them. This, like, if I open the window here, they make noise as if, you know, they're wind chimes, so I pretty much like it. There are many frames in the other house, but these two are special here. I got them here because that's my World Cup medal, and that is my national championship medal when I became the national champion. Now moving on to my second session for studying, which is going to be Lakshmikant Polity. I am going to be opening the section where there is the unit about the different constitutional bodies and their composition, powers and functions, and principles, limitations and roles. So here I start with the Election Commission.
Needed more than air, and you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down, I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down.
Breeze with you. Oh, I love how we connect. I confess, a little bit obsessed with you. You're one of a kind. Need you on my side. All over my mind. You're my ride or die. So baby, you're one of a kind. Need you on my side. All over my mind. You're my ride or die. So baby, let's ride. So baby, let's
Once I'm back from the gym, I am literally starving, and I also have a live stream study session to conduct. So I quickly think of making a spinach soup, which is basic and very simple. It's just spinach puree, milk, cheddar cheese, and some salt and pepper. So which is what I'm doing right now. If you can see the video, this is just simple cheese. I'll just put it inside and stir it in, make it nice and smooth and creamy, and I'm ready with my spinach soup, which would be my dinner. So as some of you know, that day I did a live stream study session, and the live stream went on for about 4 hours. I had covered my newspaper of that day as well as Struggle for Independence by Bipin Chandra. But for honest reasons, I will not count the full 4 hours as my study time. So let's say effectively I studied for about 3 hours, which totaled over 9 hours. Personally, it's always quality over quantity for me.
My issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down, I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me.